Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm your discipline and registration first. This ensures you study the correct syllabus. Once done, download the official syllabus and gather past 10 years' papers so you know question patterns. Next, allocate study blocks of 2 6-hours per day and schedule subjects by weightage. This prevents random studying. Make a prioritized list of core topics. Pick one topic to start today and begin with a focused 45-90-minute session to build momentum immediately. You now move into intensive preparation. Study topics deeply and create concise notes explaining concepts in your own words. Once comfortable, take timed mock tests and simulate exam conditions to train pacing and stress control. After each test, review every mistake and add it to a revision list so you avoid repeats. Make formula sheets and spend short-spaced review sessions of 20-30 minutes to reinforce memory. This reduces last-minute cramming and improves recall under pressure. On exam day, you should arrive early with admit card and ID and have a light meal. This stabilizes focus. Start by scanning the paper, pick high-confidence questions first to secure marks, and manage negative marking by avoiding guesswork. If a question stalls you, flag it and continue. Revisit flagged items with remaining time so you avoid time sinks. If you experience technical or stress issues, pause, breathe, and report problems immediately to invigilators. That preserves options and fairness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.